Oi everybody, Juliana here. Today we're making a delicious chocolate cake that everyone can make at home. It's a simple recipe with no mixer needed, and it's even super easy to decorate. It's tasty, chocolatey, and a very good cake to impress your family and friends. So, today's Portuguese word of the day is bolo, which of course means cake. If you're new here, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel for delicious recipes and food adventures. So, let's bake! First, make sure to get your cake pan ready. I will be using one pan for my cake and I will cut it later. Spray your pan with baking oil or butter and lay parchment paper on the bottom. But if you have two pans, you can use both and skip the cutting part. You can also preheat your oven. In a medium bowl, add 160 grams or 1 1/4 cup of flour, 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Give a little mix and set aside. In another bigger bowl, add 200 grams of melted butter, not too hot, 40 grams of cocoa powder. Combine cocoa powder and butter. 150 grams of brown sugar. Beat 3 eggs with 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and add to the bowl. Mix everything together until well combined. And add 180 grams of sour cream. Add the dry ingredients to the wedge in 2 parts and fold it gently. Pour into your pan and shake your pan until the mix is flat. You can also use a spatula. If you're using 2 pans, make sure to split the butter in equal parts. Bake for 30 minutes or until the toothpick comes clean. For our frosting, I made a simple chocolate ganache using just 2 ingredients. In a medium bowl, add 300 grams of semi-sweet chocolate or dark chocolate. Depends how you like it, and if you like it more sweet or strong. In a small pot, heat 300 grams of cream. Do not boil the cream, just really hot and simmery. Add the cream over the chocolate and let it set for 5 minutes. Stir it gently, not too fast, from the center of the bowl, until all the chocolate is melted and incorporated with the cream. Cover the ganache with plastic wrap and let it set until you have a smooth texture for assembling the cake. You can use the fridge to help. When the cake is completely cool, remove the cake from the pan and cut it. With the top, make a crumble by breaking it in very small pieces and rebaking it for 10 minutes. Divide the cake in 2 equal layers. Make a simple syrup with 100 grams of boiling water and 50 grams of sugar. You can just boil the water in the microwave and stir in the sugar. And brush your cake layers. Get the ganache and fill the cake, making layers. The ganache layers can be the same thickness of the cake. To make it even, you can also use a scooper, counting your scoops, or just do it by weight. Use the crumble for decorating the top. Cover the entire top of the cake. Place your cake on your favorite cake platter and give it the final touch. So everybody, this is a very simple recipe that you can use when you need to make a quick cake without a lot of decoration. It's simple, very tasty, chocolatey, and also elegant for any occasion. I hope you enjoyed and try to make this delicious recipe at home. And don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Ciao!